Okay, my beautiful people, this video is becoming rather annoying. When I post my video just now, I dey see for comment section say Ada is alive, she's not dead. I call dey confuse say wetin dey sup, Ada is alive. I go comment section, I know say definitely that they see this thing from people. So I have to check on both Facebook and I dey see video Ada is not dead. People dey very, very certain say Ada is not dead, and why they certain na her husband interaction with BBC, the person when e be like say they do interview, all right, some yesterday. Una no check hours of that particular interview. Most of the time we fit do video now and post them tomorrow or post them 2 hours 3 hours ago. They say the husband was smiling or laughing, so because her husband dey smile for the video, dey laugh for the video, they no believe say Ada die. They believe say even if say the family they decide to keep am low, if for sure for the husband face, the husband was laughing, the husband was smiling, so they believe say Ada never die because the husband is smile. Now una no think whether Ada die before, like they do the video before Ada die, or they post the video. You not think the time where they do the video, you not think the time where they post the video, you not think the time where Ada die. All this kind of thing is annoying. All right, is annoying. Make una check at least. Most of us, we know they do our research before we see they do news. But it go good make una see they at least they check. Now human being I die now, so not be say it's all about the traffic. May we check. If the person don't die, just say the person don't die. If you are not sure, say you are not sure. Me, I dey make mistake. Most of my videos are when I don't lock for this my channel based on mistake. Probably they don't reach 50 out of hundreds and something. I be how many videos that when I get, it don't reach 50 videos that when I put down because of maybe few or small mistake. The person Guamnesho, I be what to be that bros name where they take care of farm. The bros even they cry. The bros they explain because people can't they attack them as if they no do what they supposed do on time to take Ada to hospital. Where the thing, everything where happen be like it happen for airport where they try to transfer her. It happened for airport there where she can't get cardiac arrest. So people can't they attack them. Even he dropped message this morning for a war. Probably make una go check there before na confuse yourself. Because if una watch one video, Ada is alive. Oh yeah, Ada is alive. Because you see one or two video, Ada is alive. The hundreds of video where they on the internet saying Ada is dead. You know they hear that one now. Now Ada is alive because you see one or two video Ada is alive. Check for yourself first. All the words where that man they use is was. Ada was. Even if I know they speak English, I know English if I see English. Was now something when he be like say, or person when he be like say he don't pass. The person, when the person they cry, he talk and say even people still they answer up till now. I'll put the video there beg because he be like say I dey speak what people know they hear. If I finish now, una carefully listen to that video. Una know the man now. The man I don't they take care of Ada scenes. He there for the background of Ada birthday. Now all of them I gotta celebrate Ada birthday. Ada practically died for this man hand. That's why people they blame them, say him and the team they not do what they're supposed to do. And if they talk and say person bring 10 million naira out for this race. Now mistake wey happen when he be like say they know they expect Ada to get cardiac arrest at that time when he take get am. So make they know they blame them. And anybody can make mistake and they don't already make the mistake. So make people pass. He drop message today, be like some minutes ago on that note. And he confirm when he they cry and they see say the person they cry. Ada they alive. What is the need of the person crying? When he put mask, not be mouth to say they cry. Una they see tears for eye as they cry. He confirm and say Ada don't die because people see they ask am say whether Ada don't die. People see they want confirm. I ain't tell una say Ada don't die. But people they use her husband reaction of video when una no know the time where they take make. Una no know the actual time where Ada take die. And the time when they be like say the news stay leak out. Una no know the actual time. Everything now na they join at this point. Okay. For me, this is me. I dey tell una say Ada don't die. Except say God want resurrect her. Nothing God no fit do. God want resurrect her now. Make it be say Ada is alive. We go still thank God. Me, I go still bring the news come if I still hear am. This now wetin I hear, and I go put the video of that particular guy again. Make una see hear from me mouth because Ada actually die for their hand. The person they confirm say Ada don't die. So anyone where you want think, if you na the 1 or 2 or 5 videos where you see saying Ada is alive, now you want to compare the hundreds of video we come pop out just yesterday stroke today say Ada don't die. Make una judge una own or do una own research. I go see una for my next video. In peace. Now leave una. Now bye bye.
Comfortable first. Hello. So I think that is not leave out university straight. But because you don't want to come to Nigeria, you want to do 1 year university. The money is involved. You're not going to leave that money to go like that. So after you have your degree, your master's degree, basically, you are going to come back and continue because you have money to pay. You cannot just use that $4,000 like that. She said, but you didn't explain like that. I said, even though she did not explain, so you think she will just dash you at $4,000 like that? So the goal of contention is that she doesn't want to delay the I-20. She now told me that it's very hard to do it. I should advise you to come to Nigeria. She will now generate another I-20 for me. You are not going to get another visa. You will just fly. I said, okay, it's a good thing. I like you like that. But it's not just going to be easy to just get money for ticket and come to Nigeria. Are you getting it? So we want you to come to Nigeria. So I am thinking because the visa is still. Are you hearing me? Now I ask what I want to know is that what is the installment plan for Hult University?
Thank you, God bless you.
So that you can take only 1 or 2 courses.
God bless the best and see how everything went. Thank you, Chimak. Chimak is a blessing to humanity. Chimak is a real blessing to humanity. Thank you, Chimak. God bless you. God bless you, Chimak. Thank you very much for stepping in. We saw someone who needed help, a human that needed help, a human that needed support, love, and everything she needed. This is why we stepped in. We don't know her from anywhere, and I'm happy that the last time of her day on earth, we were with her 247 days. We were with her. We never left her. The husband, Kingsley, Chimak, Precious, Cynthia, Penwon, Oji, Mwabweze, hospital, Zenith Hospital, they tried their best in the country. They tried so much to make sure she survived. Nobody slept all through the night yesterday to this morning. We didn't sleep. No sleep in our eyes all through yesterday to this morning. We didn't sleep. Cynthia was in the hospital from yesterday to this morning, 6 a.m. this morning she left the hospital. So nobody closed our eyes to make sure that Ada survived this. Alright. So no matter what, no matter the flaws, everybody have a flaw, everybody have mistake in the past. So our mistakes should not be used against us when we are in difficult situations too. Just like me too, I'm bound to make mistakes, and nobody should use my mistake to judge me, to condemn me even when I'm alive. So please, I don't know how, you know, it has happened, alright. So I'm doing this video just to a fellow people are still calling me, even when I have posted that she's there, she's gone. You guys are still calling me to verify if it's true or not. It is true. She's gone. And there's nothing we can do right now. All we have to do right now is to try to reduce the judgment, being judgmental to people. Also to love people, even in a situation like this, too, in pain. We should learn to accept people's mistake. Even when she pleaded, she pleaded for forgiveness on social media. She made a video and pleaded. People were still judging her. People were still condemning her. All right. When you condemn people in such situation, they don't live. They end up in pain. You understand? So when we stepped in was when we saw her in somewhere in church where she was lying down and she was being cursed. She was being cursed by someone that she would die in that situation, with her swollen legs and swollen hands, swollen face, and her weak body. We tried to see how do we help her, and that was the reason why we stepped in. So we didn't step in for any other thing, but to just, you know, shame the devil. And that's the reason why Chimak had to make a comment on my page on the 13th of April, and we took her. We went on a trial from Europe Hospital. We moved her to Abuja, and it's been a success story all the way. From the one we've been posting her as a success story, not because of we want to trend or whatever, no, but because we hoped that we even give her more reason to live too. Because at that point, what she needed was support. She needed us to be by her side. She needed us to comfort her the more. And people still need to also pray for her too, because before we took her to the hospital, she was being judged on social media. She was being judged everywhere. But we tried to build another name for her. We tried to, you know, to rebuild her life entirely. We tried to make sure her past is wiped away. You know, that's what we try to do all this period where we're in the hospital. So thank you very much. I appreciate you guys. God bless you. Thank you. Thank you for your prayer. It's a difficult situation right now, but I strongly believe that that she's resting wherever she is right now. She's resting. In fact, she died with love. She died with the way she saw people around her. She saw love. She witnessed love. You know, love that she couldn't get in the church. She got it from strangers, people that she barely knew. I don't know her from anywhere. Chimak don't know her from anywhere, but Cynthia, Precious, all of them, nobody knows her from anywhere. But we stood our ground and made sure that Ada will be okay and I will be happy, and we did our best too. Alright, so our churches too, we should try to emulate the life that Christ lived on earth. Alright, Christ didn't come for the righteous people, he came for sinners. And even though she has said anything in the past that based on defamation of character or whatever they call it, there are legal grounds that someone can take. You know, but taking someone to Sharia and to serve up somebody, I see it as barbaric. And I just stand and I just keep saying that this girl did not die through spiritual means. She died through medical failure and every other thing, but nothing like spiritual happened to her. She has been sick for a very long time, and the doctors confirmed it that this girl, she has been sick, she has been down for a very long time. We cannot publish a medical report, but the truth is she has been down for a very long time. And at this point, please, reduce the way you judge people, and let's try to live in love. And we've tried our best. Thank you for your prayers. The stream of joy every morning, 7 a.m. I'm online on social media. I'm listening to watching the video, watching the prayer line. I'm always on prayer, dropping prayer for her every time. Yes, thank you very much. Stream of joy. Thank you very much, and God bless you. We really tried our best. God bless you. I appreciate you.